It's thundering and lightning and torrentially downpouring.
Good morning. We're in the truck, ready to roll. What's wrong? What's wrong, Charlie? Do you want your cereal? Okay. Alright, we're ready to roll.
Yep.
Please say, see you later.
We're going to Hazel's, and we'll see you later. Let's rock and roll. Let's get this party started.
Go get the girls from daycare, and then we're gonna go home and pack up the car, and Zach's gonna meet us there, and we're off to camp. We can't wait. We're gonna bring Hunter. This is his first trip going camping, and we're so excited. We can't wait. The farther and farther I drive north to go get the girls, the sky looks crazy. It looks like it's going to torrentially downpour, like any minute. Like, yeah, it's so dark and just the sky looks so weird. It's crazy. So, I'm hoping it's a quick shower if it does rain. Not what we asked for. We want it to be beautiful and sunny and hot out. But yeah, the sky looks really strange. Here comes the rain. It needs to get it out of its system. We just got the girls and we're heading home.
And we're going camping.
Yeah.
With Grandma and Papa.
Yay, and we're gonna bring Hunter. Can't wait. This is how our weather is like at home. I think we're going to stay here and go up first thing in the morning to camp because of this horrible weather. It's thundering and lightning and torrentially downpouring, just like it was when I was getting the girls. I was hoping that it was going to be a quick storm, but it's still raining and still storming. So, if it doesn't end up stopping soon, we're just going to stay here tonight and then go up first thing in the morning. Unfortunately, that stinks. So, the girls are working on their sun catchers.
They're making purple.
Yeah, be careful not to get it on the table, please.
This is out of the way.
Yeah. You guys are doing such a nice job.
I want lights.
Hey everyone, just thought I'd say goodnight to y'all because everybody else has gone to bed. I think everybody was kind of disappointed and lacking a little energy after they realized we weren't going up to camp tonight, because as you probably can hear, it's still raining. I guess talking to my mother who's up there, she has said it's a little clearer up there, but by the time we got up there it was going to be really late, so we just figured it was better off just to go up first thing in the morning. So anyway, so good night everybody. Thanks for watching. I know not a lot in today's video, but please consider giving it a like, and if you're not already, consider subscribing. Tomorrow we're definitely going to be doing a lot more fun things. So see you tomorrow. Bye.